Hello and welcome to Introduction to Data Science and Python as a problem-solving tool. My name is Tracy Tran and I'll be your guide today. We'll be talking about tools needed to be a data scientist with a focus on Python. Ready? Let's begin! So you're probably thinking to yourself, why should you take this course? If you are a professional looking to jump into the field of data science, if you are a data scientist already looking to improve your understanding of problem-solving tools, and then if you are a leader looking to understand about new marketable skills to get ahead in this technological age, this course is for you. Prerequisites needed to be successful in this course include a basic understanding of the command line, basic computer skills, analytical mindset, and a willingness to learn. Supplementary materials that you will need outside of this video include having a computer with internet connection so you can download Python and PyCharm. Before we get into the material, I would like to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Tracy Tran, and I'm the founder of mountainservices.org. I've always had a passion for technology, love learning new things, and like helping others back. I have a double bachelor's degree in chemical engineering and biochemistry, have a creative mind, and an optimist at heart. So at Mountain Services, we believe that adventures never end and learning never stops. Remember, the sky is never the limit. It's your desire to think it, believe it, and create it. So I invite you to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've also provided my email and phone number for questions. So let's talk about the course objectives. In this course, you should be able to define what the field of data science is and why it is important, to identify what the difference between data science and statistics is, be able to understand the technical and non-technical skills required to be a data scientist, be able to define what Python is and why it is important for data science, be able to install Python and install a text editor, we'll be using PyCharm, and be able to write your first Python program called Hello World. So how do you define data science? Data science is a complex new field with dozens of different tools. You can use data to create new information, products, and knowledge. What do you think data scientists do? Data scientists have the ability to collect data in powerful ways and the ability to turn it into products and develop new things. They gather and analyze data with the goal of problem solving and reaching conclusions. In a nutshell, data scientists are a new breed of analytical data experts and have complex problem solving skills who are curious. They are part mathematician, part computer science, and part trend spotter. Why are data scientists important? In this age, everything is easily accessible and connected to technology, but this brings a problem to businesses where they are constantly in search of valuable ways to collect, structure, and analyze data. But that's where data scientists come in. They are needed in every sector, niche, and globally around the world. Pop quiz. Are data scientists only needed in IT? True or false? False. Data scientists are found in every field, so there is flexibility for specialization. Let's talk about the difference between data science and statistics. Data science should not be mistaken for statistics, as they do share a common goal of using a large amount of data to reach conclusions. But the difference is, data science is actually a newer field that weighs heavily on computers and technology to access information from large databases, and then in statistics, you use established theories and focuses more on hypothesis testing. Data scientists are highly educated, with 91% having masters and 48% having PhDs. Python coding is a common language and it is required in data science along with Java, Perl, C, and C++. Machine learning is something data scientists are familiar with, such as artificial intelligence and deep learning, which uses systems to learn from data to identify patterns. Now, Hadoop platform is not required, but it is preferred. Most data scientists are familiar with cloud tools such as AWS, Amazon Web Services, which offers reliable, scalable, inexpensive cloud computing services that are free to join and you pay for what you use. And data scientists are good at processing unstructured data, whether it comes from social media, video feeds, sensor data, or audio. Pop quiz. What programming language is most common in data science? Do you think it's C, C++, PHP, or Python? Yes, Python. So what are some of the non-technical must-have skills of a data scientist? They have to have intellectual curiosity. Why is that? Curiosity fuels product design. It fuels the ability for them to peer into the future to seek out the why and the what will happen next question. They also have to have the ability to make good judgments and make quick decisions and have very good communication skills because often they'll be communicating with non-technical staff such as marketing and sales staff. There are obviously many tools for data science, but we'll just focus on Python now and then we'll develop the others later. Why is Python so powerful to data scientists? Python is a versatile, jack-of-all-trades, multi-purpose programming language that is free and open source. It supports object-oriented, structured, and functional programming, very easy to use and no complicated syntax. It's inherently readable and simple, plus having analytical databases in every sector to download. Python is a beloved programming language. You can use Python in virtually any situation to do calculations, website, and analyze data, and automate tasks, and even more. Pop quiz. What makes Python the most beloved programming language for data science? A. Easy to use, free, open source, and jack-of-all-trades language. B. Worldwide help readily available online and meetups. C. Free data analysis libraries. Or D. All choices. Yes, all the choices. So let's talk a little bit about Python and what we will learn next. For the rest of this course, we will focus on giving you a basic understanding of Python, help you install Python and a text editor, and then do a simple hello world command. In subsequent courses, we will develop the Python skill and other problem-solving skills for data science, including talking about cybersecurity concerns of data science. So this page shows websites to download Python and PyCharm. We will be downloading version 3 and not version 2. Version 2 is a legacy version and no longer supported. And then PyCharm, we will be downloading it at jetbrains.com. It's an IDE, an integrated development environment, which is a special text editor just for Python. So you are going to head on over to a Google page and type in python.org/downloads and choose version 3.7.2 to download Python. Version 2 again is, remember, a legacy version. It's not being supported at this time, so it's probably being archived. Follow all the prompts on your computer to install Python. Remember, if you have a Macintosh or other system, you have to choose the right link. Also head over to another Google page and type in www.jetbrains.com/PyCharm to download the text editor. The text editor will allow you to write code, run, and execute so you can see if there are any errors. And after PyCharm and Python are installed on your computer, we will be creating our first Python program using the print command, and you don't have to import any settings. Just close the tips box and right-click on the PyCharm. When it first opens up, you click on Create a Project, right-click on the project folder, click New, choose Python File, and create a name. Then you're going to type in print, open parentheses, and quotation marks, hello world, close quotation marks, close parentheses. And then go up to the top to run the program. You're going to choose Run menu and click on your Python file to run. So if you see Hello World being printed below, you have successfully ran your first Python program. Congratulations. Pop quiz. Why did we have to install PyCharm? Feel free to pause the video. Yes, the answer was D, all the choices. To recap today's lesson, we gave an introduction to data science and learned why it is important. We identified differences between science and statistics. We also understood the technical and non-technical skills and tools for data science, and we discussed Python's role in data science. Lastly, we even installed Python and PyCharm and wrote our first Python program called Hello World. So these last few slides are a bonus for you. You can feel free to pause and study them over. Looking forward, I will be diving more into building Python skills, introducing other science tools, and exploring cybersecurity issues. See you later.